we got intelligence yesterday but one, regarding theft of the construction of the stadium, that some materials could have been stolen. So using our intelligence team in a joint operation with the DSO's office, we managed to apprehend a suspect and recover the said stolen items, which were iron sheets, 36 of them in number, 7 hollow sections, and empty jerrycans, which we believe could have been used in siphoning of fuel. Because it was late, we wouldn't do a search. We cordoned off the scene, and today morning we were here early for the search to recover more items suspected stolen. It is likely that these items were taken before the security had come on site. So we are in talks with the management of Suma construction company, to have clear deployment plan so that these vital areas are well protected. Example, the stores.
The iron sheets got finished, the one we were using to cordon off the working area. It got finished yesterday. I wish we had this. Remember, we cut in 3 pieces. We would continue with the work. The work stopped yesterday.